Welcome students in BA part 3rd. In our last video yesterday, we discussed upon our first poem from Indian poets, that is our Casuarina tree. The introduction related to this poem and the theme given by poet, I think is complete in our mind. As we discussed that, it is an autobiographical poem, and in this poem, a poet Torudutt presents her feelings, emotions, memories related to her expired brother and sister. We know that she lost two young brother and sister in early age. The title of poem, Our Casuarina Tree, is very symbolic. As we discussed about it yesterday, then we found that Casuarina tree is used here as the symbol of memory. It is used by poet that whenever she observed Casuarina tree, the memory of expired brother and sister automatically jumps in the heart of poet. In very starting, we are discussing that, as we discussed, there are various types of the details, but basically the theme of poem divided into two parts. In first two stanzas, starting first and second stanza, there is not any detail related to brother and sister. Then, in reader's mind, it surprised what the poet wants to tell in poem. But later in third stanza, starting from third stanza till the end of poem, we discussed and we will read in our poem today that why she speaks, why she says the detail about Casuarina tree. The link and the connection of Casuarina tree is not directly from nature, but it is the connection of nature with human being. You can understand it in easy way that Casuarina tree as a symbol of nature, as a symbol of memory, here presents with the connection of expired brother and sister. Our Casuarina tree, our we already described, our is using for three persons, including poet herself. Here we are discussing about poetess Torudutt. In English literature, we use the word poet and poetess for orderly male and female. But in common language of literature, repeating again and again should keep in your mind clear that the word poet may be used for both, either that is male or that is female. So we are repeating, I am telling again and again poet. Don't confuse in mind. Basically, grammatically, technically there is two different words, poet and poetess. But in common language of literature, when we repeating literature, when we repeating all these male and female again and again, then it is applicable that you can use poet for both. Including Torudutt. Our word we discussed yesterday is using for three members. It is using for one, that is poet herself, second expired brother, and third expired sister. Aru and Abju. Name should be clear and always be keep in mind. Sometimes in university exam, it may be asked in question paper that describe the name of expired brother and sister for whom the poem Our Casuarina tree dedicated, addressed. So it dedicated totally to expired brother and sister. Important thing that is, in starting two stanzas, there is not any detail related to brother and sister. Means in starting two stanzas, we only describe about the picture of Casuarina tree, about the home of Torudutt, about the garden of Torudutt, about the surrounding of Casuarina tree. We know that she lived in Kolkata. In Kolkata, Manikala Street, Kolkata, that is the address of Torudutt, where these type of the details are given. तो ये जो garden था, that is a garden in the home of Turundat, and she comes back here after the death of brother and sister. Then after some time again, means you observe the casuarina tree, suddenly the memory start. Suddenly all these type of the experience which she spent with brother and sister starts in her mind, and that is presented in poem. Now I request to you that you just come at the first line of poem and we read the detail that was given by Turundat in starting. So you just open your book. Our casuarina tree, like a goose python. The word like, from where the poem starts. Very important word, we know that. Like and as. If we discussing literary terms, figure of speech, then literary terms, simile and metaphor, I think clear in your mind. The word like is used here as a literary term, as a figure of speech that is used for comparison. तो कंपैरिजन के साथ पॉइंट शुरू हो रही है. लाइक ए गूस पाइथन, द नेम ऑफ एन एनिमल, वेरी पोइचियस, अजगर जिसको बोलते हैं. तो ये विशाल पाइथन की तरह कंपैरिजन है. द एनिमल, द यू कैन से पाइथन जो है, अजगर जो है, दैट इज कंपेयर्ड विद समवन. यू जस्ट वाइंडिंग राउंड एंड राउंड, वाइंडिंग घेरना, चारों तरफ से लपेटना, राउंड एंड राउंड चारों ओर से. वी डोंट नो, अभी पता नहीं चला. पाइथन की तरह चारों ओर से लिपटा हुआ. द रस्ड ट्रंक, रस्ड एकदम हार्ड, कठोर. ट्रंक जानते हैं कि द ट्रंक इज द पार्ट ऑफ ट्री वेयर द कंप्लीट ट्री डिपेंड्स ऑन द पार्ट दैट इज ट्रंक. तना जिसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं. तो दिस इज द लाइन, द रस्ड ट्रंक. ये जो ट्रंक था, ये जो तना था, ये जो पोर्शन था पेड़ का, ये पूरा का पूरा पोर्शन दैट इज वेरी रफ, वेरी हार्ड, कठोर, एकदम कर्कशा. वी आर नॉट टेलिंग इट अबाउट ए वेरी स्मूथ ट्रंक, नो. इट वाज यू कैन से वेरी फुल ऑफ बार्क्स एंड वेरी हार्ड ट्रंक. इसके चारों ओर पाइथन की तरह, अजगर की तरह लिपटा हुआ. इंडेंटेड डी, इंडेंट खरोच सी आ गई है. ये तना जो है, इसकी पोजीशन बड़ी सुंदर नहीं है. डी विद द स्कैर्स अप टू इट्स वेरी सुमिट नियर द स्टार्स, नियर द स्टार्स. सुमिट ऊंचाई, क्लाइमैक्स, पीक तक. यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट इसकी जो हाइट दी गई है, दैट इज कंपेयर. यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड सो हाइट दैट इट इज जस्ट नियर टू द स्काई, स्टार्स. इसकी ऊंचाई इतनी बड़ी दी गई है कि जैसे तारों को छू रहा हो. इसके पेड़ की ऊंचाई जो है, हाइट है, दैट इज वेरी लॉन्ग हाइट, एंड द ट्रंक ऑफ द ट्री दैट इज वेरी हार्ड. तो इस ट्रंक के चारों ओर लिपटा हुआ अजगर की तरह. अजगर नहीं है, अजगर की तरह है. दिस इज नॉट अजगर. तो कौन है? अब लिखा है ए क्रीपर क्लाइम्स. क्रीपर लता, बेल क्लाइम्स चढ़ रही है. इसका मतलब कोई नीचे जमीन पे बेल है, क्रीपर है, एंड दैट इज वाइंडिंग टुवर्ड्स द ट्रंक ऑफ ट्री. दैट इज वाइंडिंग टुवर्ड्स द ट्रंक ऑफ ट्री, जो पेड़ के चारों ओर लिपटी हुई है. इन हुज इम्बर्स बाउंड, इम्बर्स लिपटने को बोलते हैं. बाउंड नो अदर ट्री कुड लिव. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर रिलेटेड टू कैजुना ट्री. अगर वो कोई पेड़ होता तो शायद the tree could not bear the weight of that creeper, the pressure of that creeper. ये तो कैजुना का पेड़ है कि इसने सहन कर रखा है. If there is another type of tree, I think, poet think that it could not be lived. शायद ये जिंदा नहीं रह पाता. But gently, बड़ी बहादुरी से, a Gant wears scarf. Scarf, the part of cloth or the part of dress used by the girls. Scarf, you understand, I think. And flowers are hung in crimson cluster, all buds among. And the scarf that is also compared with the creeper. The position of creeper same as a girl wears the scarf. You understand everything. Crimson cluster, all the buds among. और इस पेड़ के अंदर जितनी भी बग्स वगैरह है, डालियां हैं, we know that that is very clustered, बहुत इकट्ठी है, मतलब very busy, or you can say there are various types of very dark bugs, बहुत गहरी घाटियां वाली, मतलब दारियों वाला ट्रेड है, and a very great where on, that is using on, जिस पे पेड़ के ऊपर की बात है, all they are gather bird and bee, this is the position of complete day. Complete day we look that gathered bird and bee, मधुमक्खियां, birds, पक्षी, तो different type of the birds, different type of the bees, you can understand it is the colony of birds and bees, बहुत से पक्षी, मधुमक्खियां वगैरह सब इस पे रहते हैं, and oft at night, we are calling about daytime, or at the night time what happened, the garden overflows with one sweet song, this is the supernatural concept. At the night time, a very supernatural concept, one sweet song that seems have no close, complete night, it may listen the complete night, there was the song that was singing here. It is a very impressive use of supernatural, very good use of supernatural, in which poet says that पूरी रात एक आवाज आती रहती है, एक सॉन्ग सा बजता रहता है, नो क्लोज, पूरी रात बजता है, इट सीम्स नॉट टू एंड, समाप्त नहीं होगा है, एंड सम डार्कलिंग फ्रॉम आवर ट्रीज हाई मैन रिपोज, और जब पूरी दुनिया रिपोज सोई रहती है तब ये पूरी रात बजता रहता है. दिस इज द यूज ऑफ सुपरनेचुरल. वी नेवर नो, we don't know what is the mention of the poet here, but you can try to understand the feeling of poet, that she is speaking something about supernatural details, the scene that already spent, जो चीज पहले बीत चुकी है, that is not natural, that is not living in the world, शायद perhaps she is speaking about it. So this is the first stanza, totally related with the tree, and in our next class, in second stanza, we will read in the second day. Tomorrow we will read the next stanza. Thank you.